Applying to a top-tier college like MIT involves a comprehensive process. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you navigate through it. Understand the application deadlines. MIT has two main application rounds. Early action. Deadline is November 1st and regular decision deadline is January 1st. Keep these dates in mind as they are crucial for your application planning. Create your MIT application account on MyMit. Prepare your high school academic profile. MIT recommends 1 year each of physics, chemistry, and biology, math through calculus, 2 years of a foreign language, and 4 years of English. Ensure your transcript reflects a rigorous academic course load, ideally including advanced placement or international baccalaureate courses. Gather letters of recommendation from teachers who know you well. Submit standardized test scores. MIT requires either the SAT or ACT. Write your essays thoughtfully and authentically. Pay the application fee or request a fee waiver if needed. Participate in an interview with an MIT educational counselor. Stay organized and keep track of all your materials and deadlines. By following these steps, you'll maximize your chances of gaining admission to MIT. Good luck!